Picture this, the bustling streets of ancient Jerusalem, echoes of the past mingling with the energy of the present. Nehemiah, a cupbearer to the Persian king, hears of Jerusalem's shattered walls and the plight of its people. He doesn't wait for someone else to act, he becomes the agent of change. Separated by miles, Nehemiah could have easily turned a blind eye. But instead, he prays and contemplates, channeling his energy into something greater. He envisions a city restored to its former glory, a city safeguarded by sturdy walls. This is his blueprint for success. So I prayed to the God of heaven, and said to the king, "Why should my face not be sad, when the city, the place of my fathers' graves, lies waste, and its gates have been destroyed by fire? The walls of Jerusalem are in ruins, and the people are weary." Nehemiah could have been deterred, but he stands strong. Challenges emerge as adversaries and apathy threaten his mission. Yet, his determination propels him forward. "I am doing a great work and cannot come down." Resistance is met with resilience. Nehemiah's unwavering belief in his vision shields him from doubts. He navigates the complexities of diplomacy, gaining even his enemies' support. His determination remains unshaken, proving that success is about endurance and adaptability. Nehemiah's strengths shine brightly. He's a charismatic leader who unites the people toward a common purpose. His courage to face challenges head-on is remarkable. But he's not invincible. He grapples with impatience and self-neglect, reminding us that even great minds have areas to refine. "But I did not disclose the matter to them or tell them what I was doing." Nehemiah's tale holds gems that transcend time. His relentless vision teaches us that success isn't about luck, it's about creating opportunities. He teaches us that challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to greatness. His collaboration with diverse parties reminds us that unity amplifies impact. Nehemiah isn't a flawless hero. His story reflects his humanity, his struggles, triumphs, and growth. He listens to his inner voice, seeking wisdom and guidance. This mirrors the importance of embracing our own imperfections and learning from them. "Remember me, O my God, concerning this, and do not wipe out my good deeds that I have done for the house of my God and for his service." Nehemiah's legacy exemplifies that success is not accidental, it's a conscious choice. He saw a vision, became the vision, and saw it through. He understood that challenges are stepping stones to victory, and that determination conquers obstacles. Nehemiah's journey isn't just history, it's a guide for today. His story challenges us to forge our path, illuminate our vision, and put in the effort. He inspires us to stand firm in the face of adversity and to refine our weaknesses. Just as he overcame, we too can overcome. I also persevered in the work on this wall, and we acquired no land, and all my servants were gathered there for the work. So, fellow architects of your destiny, let Nehemiah's story echo in your heart. Carve out your vision, build your blueprint, and march boldly towards your dreams. Success isn't something that happens to you, it's who you become on the journey. If this journey has ignited a spark in your soul, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Keep striving, keep believing, and keep scripting your own tale of unparalleled success.